hope you are all fine. This is me Shabir and you are watching our YouTube channel Shabir Sharrow. Today in this video tutorial we will learn about IP addresses of a network. If you want to access all the IPs of a network on your PC or laptop, it's yes, absolutely you can do it. In few clicks, just follow the steps. I hope you guys after watching this video you will be happy and able to access your network. So guys, I humbly request you to all, don't forget to subscribe my channel without waste your time. Let's get started. So guys, firstly we have to come and search here CMD, enter, and type here ARP space minus A and enter. Now you can see all the physical addresses and IP addresses showing here with dynamic and static IPs. Okay, it's very easy way to do, and I will show you second ways, and it will very helpful. You just came to open Google. I will select one and type here advanced IP scanner, name of advanced IP scanner, just enter, and now you can see its first link. You just left click on it, and now just come down. I will provide this link in my video description, and you just click on it. Its compatibility for Windows 11, 8 and 7 and 10 also, and it will be start downloading, and now you can see it's downloading already. Resume. I will resume it, and after in few minutes it will downloaded, and I have no need to download because I have an already it's set up. I will come back to the PC, this PC, and type here advanced, wrong attempt, advanced, and now you can see it's already I have open file location. Now you can see I will click on it and run as administrator. Yes, okay, yes, again, just installed. I have accept an agreement, install, click on it, and now you can see its first interface showing on my screen. Just click on it, scan, so guys, now you can see all the IPs and physical addresses, MAC addresses are showing with its all the names, and I hope you enjoyed this video.